Hello, and welcome back to another dish of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, we have a change up here in our seed starting mix that we're going to be using in our potting mix. Before, for our seed starting, we were using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. But when you start growing on a large scale, and there's more seedlings in the other greenhouse, it started getting very expensive, and it was taking a lot of bags to actually plant our seeds and stuff. So we started doing some figuring, and we decided to try this brand here. This is Lambert, and it's an all-purpose medium. It's a professional mix. You can use this for seed starting, growing your plants on, and your hanging baskets, your containers, vegetables, all that different stuff. So the big difference with this here, I just got this yesterday, I just bought it, and I started noticing where with this, you can see here it has the peat moss in it, it has your perlite in it, your white stuff is your perlite. They do recommend that you wear gloves with any soil that you use, so I just have my gloves on here, and I did this even with the Jiffy. But you can see here it's nice and fluffy. You can take your containers here, just fill them up with your mix here. Fill these up here. And then all I have to do is I have to water it. So there's no mixing anymore like I had to do with the Jiffy and our other seed starting mixes. And when you have a lot to plant and you have to stand there and mix all of your seed starting mix with water, it does take a long time to actually get that done. Go check on him. So far what I've been noticing from this is I get done a whole lot faster with it, which is nice because then you have time to get other stuff done. And it seems to retain the moisture a lot better than what my other stuff was. So here we go. So we're going to take this tray over now, and we're going to get it watered. Close back up here. So I just have the watering wand here, and I'm just going over this to get it moist here. And a watering can will work just as good. A little bit more water here. I hear it dripping out of some of them, but not all of them yet. Whoops. A little too fast there. And you can see we have the water dripping out the bottom here. And if you look here, this is all nice and moist all the way down through. I didn't have to mix anything, and this is going to save me so much time because it was taking me so long to mix all the other stuff up and to get like everything planted then. So really looking forward to this new method and system here. And we're gonna put, let's see here, some sugar baby watermelons?
Yes, please.
Okay. some sugar baby watermelons in here. Got our seeds here. 1, 3, 4. I'm going to do 4 of them here. Cover them about 1/2 of an inch deep. Oops.
Sorry I missed that one.
I'm going to get these 4 labeled then. So, we're going to get these misted here real quick. Make sure we get that seed moist. And I'm going to get these labeled then. And these are all ready to go then in the greenhouse so they can germinate for us. So much faster. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to getting to try this out. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you grow on a small scale and you want to use the Jiffy, it is a really good product. It's the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I have used and bought that for years, and I was happy with it, but with as much as we're using and stuff, I just had to find something different because of the price. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.